Good morning, class. This is the third scene of the third act of Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. This scene takes place again in Friar Lawrence's cell, where Friar Lawrence is with Romeo, and Romeo is is in a very tragic mood, is in a very disappointed state of mind, because accidentally he has killed Tybalt, who is Juliet's cousin. So Romeo is repenting, and he is in a very bad condition. And as Friar Lawrence is a sympathetic soul, as Friar Lawrence is a confidant or a kind of friend, spiritual guide to Romeo, because he has helped Romeo in marrying Juliet. So Romeo is with Friar Lawrence, hiding himself from the state, from the authorities of Verona, because he has murdered Tybalt, one of the citizens of Verona, and now he doesn't know yet what is the princess punishment for him, and now he wants to know that from Friar Lawrence. So here we can see Romeo expressing his sorrow, his grief, and Friar Lawrence is trying to console him. And he then Friar Lawrence tells Romeo that the prince had declared a not so hard punishment for Romeo for killing Tybalt, and he says the prince had declared a light punishment, and that is banishment from Verona, not not killing. So he says banishment for Romeo is declared by the prince, and this news, that is his banishment from Verona, is even worse for Romeo than death, worse than death, because he tells Friar Lawrence that he does not want to live, to stay in a place where Juliet is not there. He says heaven is here, where Juliet lives, that is in Verona, and I am now not able to stay here, and what punishment can be worse than this? But Friar Lawrence is a learned man, is a balanced kind of man, he is a wise man, and he tries to tell Romeo that it is good that for some time he has to stay away from Verona, rather than getting the death punishment. Meanwhile, what happens is that Juliet's nurse comes there, because we know that Juliet had sent her to Romeo with the ring. In the second scene of this act, Juliet knows about Tybalt's murdered by Romeo, Mercutio's death by the hands of Tybalt, and Romeo's banishment from Verona through the nurse only. Then the nurse says she will go to Romeo and will try to bring him with her. And then Juliet had given her ring, that is the wedding ring, to Romeo with the Juliet. So Juliet comes there and she tells Romeo about Juliet's state of mind, and she tells Romeo that Juliet is here. We can see it is the nurse. Romeo is in a very pathetic condition, and this is Friar Lawrence trying to comfort Romeo. So the nurse tells Romeo that Juliet is in a very sad mood. At one moment she is crying for Tybalt, at the next moment she is crying for Romeo, and Romeo becomes very angry with himself and he takes out his sword in order to kill himself. But Friar Lawrence tells him that killing oneself is the worst sin, and then he says that he tries to comfort Romeo with the plan that he says, for the time being, now you should go to Juliet. You should stay for some time with her in the night before going away to Mantua. Mantua is a city that is away from Verona, and where Romeo has to stay during the period of his banishment from Verona. So he says, before they set the watch, that is, the authorities of Prince Aeschylus set a watch over Romeo, that Romeo should not be seen in Verona because he is banished. So he says, either you have to leave Verona before the daybreak or before the watch are set upon you. And he also tells, that is Friar Lawrence also tells Juliet's nurse, he says, go to your lady and tell her that Romeo is coming to her. So the nurse becomes very happy to listen to this wise, learned man's words, comforting words, and happily she becomes ready to go to Juliet. So she goes away, and then Romeo says, I am also quite comfortable now by listening to that is Friar Lawrence's comforting words and his plan. So the plan described by Friar Lawrence was like this. He has decided that Romeo should stay in Mantua, and there one of Friar Lawrence's messengers, one of his men, will be in touch with Romeo for telling him the developments in Verona regarding Juliet and their marriage. And he says, after some time is spent and after people become mild about the incident, that is Tybalt's and Mercutio's murders, so he says, then let us then declare your marriage to the families, that is Montague family and the Capulet family. So it is a kind of middle way to make Romeo and Juliet's marriage legal, that is decided by Friar Lawrence. So this much happens in this scene. So it is an important scene of the third act, that is the third scene, in which Romeo comes to know about his punishment, that is banishment from Verona to Mantua. Now he has to stay in Mantua for some time at least, and as he is very sad, in a disappointed state of mind, Friar Lawrence tells him that you should keep quiet for some time. First you go and see Juliet this night, and then you should go to Mantua. So this is the important development in the plot of the play that takes place in the third scene of the third act of Romeo and Juliet. Thank you.